Greater Noida is all set to become a home to two data centers as Entity, a Japanese firm, has bought a 6 acre of land to set up a mega project in Tech Zone 4 of Greater Noida. The two big data center projects are likely to give a positive push to the real estate market here. Hello friends, welcome to MBTV. This is Ravi Kumar Divakar and you are watching Property Matters. Today we are going to talk about the two new data centers which are expected to boost the employment prospects of Greater Noida. The firm Entity will invest rupees 1000 crore for this data center in Greater Noida. This data center will have a capacity of 70 megawatt. Another investment for data center project in Greater Noida is from Yota Infrastructure, a subsidiary of a Mumbai-based Hiranandani Group. In this 250 megawatt capacity data center, Yota will make an investment of 6000 crore in Knowledge Park 5.
We built data centers for Entity Japan in terms of there in Saki Vihar Road. And we got an experience relating to what data centers as a business look like. And later on, as we realized that data centers had a good future in view of the situation that has happened, and this was, of course, pre-COVID times, never realized COVID would be here. And obviously, the requirement in terms of data centers have multiplied. Number two, the fact is that the Prime Minister is very keen for data localization. So I think over a period of time, at least, the idea being more and more data will be stored locally, even if it's a mirrored image of whatever is being put overseas, there's bound to be there. The third is, of course, the e-commerce business. The e-commerce business is definitely growing at time in place of retail, and all the e-commerce clicks that you do, they go and happen in the data centers. They're not in the Amazon office as such. They all take place through a data center operation that actually continues and completes the clicks which go through that. So all in all, the data centers but it's a very specialized business.
20 acre of land has been allotted to the company for this project. These two investments are expected to lure other domestic and international investors for IT-enabled services in the city. These data centers will create jobs and help in getting more investment in this industrial town. These data centers will be operational by 2022. Once completed, Greater Noida will emerge as a hub of data centers in the country. The two data centers will store data of different social networking sites. These two projects are expected to create at least 1,500 jobs in Greater Noida's IT-enabled field. Yota had applied for the project in October 2015. As per reports, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath directed the official to facilitate land allotment for ambitious data center projects and also enable its operation without any problem. In the absence of adequate data centers, data is largely stored in locations outside the country, but with this data park, it will now be safely kept here. Since these data centers consume large amount of energy, the UP government has also made adequate arrangement for uninterrupted power supply which will be provided through the open access scheme. These projects also provide huge opportunities for both residential and commercial real estate to thrive in the region. Thank you so much for watching this show. Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV and follow me on Twitter and Facebook. This is Ravi Kumar Divakar with my cameraman Manish Sharma. Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV on YouTube and press the bell icon to get the latest videos.